Okay, this is a very interesting question, and college students would be able to actually identify with this question. So there are this college, and there is a food for students in the college. Now college students are always hungry, so they are always hungry. So there is food for how many such students? There is food for 300 such students. Okay, so these students, what do they have to finish? What is the work that they have to do? They have to finish all the food. So this F is the amount of food that they are finishing. I'm just denoting it with F. I can denote it with X also, I can denote it 1 also, I can denote it with 100 also. Okay, it does not really matter. It is only the relative amount that we are interested in when we are writing this equation. Okay, so this is 300 students are there, and they can complete this food, they can finish off this food. Okay, so in 25 days. So this 300 into 25 is everything that I am putting in to finish that food. So that will come in the denominator, and that is the first case. What about second case? 300 more students. See, that is the thing, that is the keyword here, more. Lot of students would make mistakes here. They'll just write 200. That is not the case. It is not 200. Number of students in second case is not 200. It is 300 plus 200. Okay, so number of students has now become 500, and we don't know how many days it will take for them to finish the food. So D is unknown. And again, F and F would cancel. Like I said, we are only interested in relative quantities in these cases. Whether the food has doubled, it has remained the same. Whether food has half. In this case, the amount of food has remained the same. So this F and F would cancel. So now, if you simplify this, your D, you can do the simplification. It is a very simple equation. Will come out to be 15.